So, as we already saw in the agenda, so the first thing we have to discuss is the Python history, characteristics, and use cases. So now let's go into see what that means basically. And we are going to be discussing about the history of Python, which is actually created in 1989 by Guido van Rossum. And that was during the Christmas holidays. And you can see it an exciting moment when everybody are already preparing for Christmas. So a new language created during this period. And here we can see the first time it was published officially is in February 1991. And this reached its first major release in January 26th, 1994. And that's the version 1.00, right? And right here, we can also see that we mentioned Python 3.0 was released of December 2008. And what we are saying right here is just a different version of what was released before, right? So version 1.00 was the first version that got released, and there's an improvement to the language, and this is now why 3.0 was released. And then Python 3.0 is the only official version that Python currently supported, okay? And this is the version of the Python that you are going to be learning. So which means that you are going to be learning the latest version of the language. And this is what this course is all about. So it's about to give you the right tool for you to get started. And we are so excited that you will gain a lot from this course. So this is the history of Python, and basically it is something that you just have to at least be able to maybe talk about. If you are talking about Python to your friends, you might just tell them that the first version of Python is released in the January 26th, 1994. So basically, you know the basis and the root of when this language was released.